Hi everyone. I just wanted to remind you about the benefits of halotherapy. It's that time of year where people are getting sick, people are getting coughs that don't go away, and I just wanted to remind you that 10 minutes in one of our beautiful salt booths is all that's needed to help get your cold and cough on the run. Salt is anti-inflammatory, it's antimicrobial, and antipathogenic. So if you have a cough that won't go away, or you know somebody who has a cough that won't go away, or maybe you know somebody that has children that are having a hard time clearing their lungs, try salt therapy, also known as halotherapy.